Hey guys, it's me, Hope. Eee. That was a suckish smile. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dog bowl like this one here. So yeah, the things you'll need are some white paint, some pink paint, and some black paint. The black paint is for the mouth and the eyes. Mouth is optional, eyes are optional. This is for the blush. Blush is optional. This is for the inside of the eye. Inside eye is optional, even if you put the eye. But you don't put the inside. So I've done that before, but I don't have any to show you right now. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is, oh yeah, and you need, sorry, I forgot to tell you, somewhere to put the thing, a tissue to wipe you off your dotting tool, and a color of your choice. I'm using this color like I did in the last one too. So you just need a little piece of it, depending on how big you want the bowl to be. I like calling it a dog bowl, but you can call it whatever you want. There we go. It makes it look brown, but it's red. It looks pink on camera, but it's not. Oh, yeah. Ah! That was awkward. Okay. Then you want to cross down with your finger. Put that finger in there. Put that finger in there. Yep. Make the bottom look the same. Then squish it around your finger. There's also a way to make a donut, but you like push all the way through. Oopsies. And if it breaks, just keep making it again, like that. Push down, and if it gets any cracks, you just make it no cracks. Then you push them together. Like that. There's the dog bowl. Yeah. Sorry my hair's messy, I didn't clean it. I keep messing this up. Okay, the next one I'm going to use, if it's good or not. Because I need to make this going. I like to use my pinky actually. It makes the smallest hole, but it keeps it. So basically you get the idea, I guess. So, I guess you guys might want to watch me. So, yeah, that's why. So don't push all the way down. Like so you hit the bottom. There. Yep. So you can see, that one's wider, but then to make the face, I take this, if you haven't seen it, dotting tool. Whoa. Kick it. Take it in the block. Put it on a good, oopsies, not on your thumb. I'm pushing that down, sorry. On a good piece. That was going to be a lot bigger. So there's the eye so far. Looks like a donut almost. Like that. Then use the small one for the rest. The blush. That sort of went into the eye. To the end. There. There. Okay, make his eyes really big. There. Sorry, it's a little long. But there's the dog bowl. So now I've got two matching dog bowls. 1, 2. And now anything can eat out of them. From a duck, quack quack, to a cupcake, to a mini pet stick, delicioso, to a My Little Pony. Delicioso. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry it was a little long. So yeah, bye. There's a grape in the bowl. Oh, that's a blueberry. This is a grape. Bye.